Writing your CV doesn't have to be difficult. Here's a step-by-step guide to crafting a professional CV for UK jobs. Add your contact information to the header. Include your full name, phone number, professional email, city, and job title. Write a personal statement. In 2 to 4 sentences, pitch your top skills, experience, and what makes you unique. List your work experience in detail. For each role, include job title, company, location, dates, and key achievements using bullet points. Share your key skills and qualifications. Focus on skills relevant to the job you want. Showcase your education. List your degrees, universities, and locations. Place education above work experience if you've recently graduated. Add extra sections to stand out. Include research, publications, awards, certifications, languages, or conferences if they're relevant. Here's a pro tip. Use reverse chronological order for work and education. Add quantifiable achievements and tailor each CV to the job description. Ready to build a standout CV and get hired faster? Use Live Careers CV Builder and explore more expert tips today.